Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious veggie enchiladas in the oven, the only way. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini, about 2 cups total. Also, prepare your favorite enchilada sauce, whether it's homemade or from a can. Don't forget about 2 cups of shredded cheese like Monterey Jack or cheddar for that perfect melty finish. Now, let's create that amazing filling. Start by sautéing your diced vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, in a pan for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Once cooked, mix them with about 1 cup of your shredded cheese. This combination creates a rich and savory center for your enchiladas. Remember to slightly warm your tortillas. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. It's time for assembly. First, spread a thin layer of your delicious enchilada sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, take each warm tortilla, fill it with about 1/4 cup of the veggie and cheese mixture, and roll it up tightly. Place these rolled enchiladas seam side down in your dish. Finally, pour the remaining sauce evenly over them and sprinkle with the last cup of shredded cheese. Almost there. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the sauce is bubbly and the cheese is beautifully melted and golden brown. Once out of the oven, let them rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the filling set perfectly. Serve them warm, garnished with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some creamy avocado slices. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.